Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mimmy. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off on the top left and we're going to draw the bow. Let's start with a circle. Then on top, let's curve it over to the right, down and back up. And the same thing on the bottom left. Now top inside and let's draw a curve in the center here. And that's it for the bow. Now let's hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start by drawing a curve across on top. Then let's curve it up and bring it down for the right ear. And for the left side, let's draw a curve up and down on top of the bow. Now let's continue the head by drawing a curve down and in. And the same thing on the right. And close off the head with a curve across. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start with a sideways oval for the nose. And then hop out and let's draw two larger ovals for the eyes. And then color these both in black. And lastly for the head, let's draw the whiskers. Let's draw 3 curves out on each side, with the middle one being a little bit shorter. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with 2 curves down underneath the head. And then close it off with a curve across. Now let's hop in and let's draw a curve down at the top. And then 2 circles for the buttons. Next, we're going to hop out and draw the arms. Let's start with a curve down on each side. And then curve it in at the bottom. And then inside the arms, let's draw an angle for the bottom of the sleeves. And that's it for the upper body. Lastly, let's draw the legs. At the bottom, let's draw a line down in the center. And then continue it up slightly on top. Now top out and let's bring it down and curve it in on each side. And a curve out to close off each foot. And that's it for Mimmy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!